Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 and in this video I am going to show you how to manage app permissions on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Now here we have to scroll down and find this privacy option. Here we have to open permission manager. And for example, I'm going to choose permission to microphone, and here we can choose what apps we want to allow to this permission and what apps we don't allow. For example, this now. And here you can choose whatever permission and whatever app you want. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, bye!